Welcome to Talk Finance Daily, where we decode the biggest financial stories and bring you in-depth market insights. Today, we are diving deep into what's driving the latest market rally and whether this momentum is here to stay. Stick with us as we break it all down for you. The Indian stock market has surged dramatically, riding on the back of strong global and domestic cues. But what's really fueling this rally? Let's analyze the key drivers step by step. First up, global markets have set the stage for India's rally. Let's take a closer look at the major international factors pushing our markets higher. Wall Street and Asian market momentum. US markets experienced a strong rally, and Asian indices followed suit. Notably, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index surged to a 3-year high, injecting a fresh wave of optimism among investors. China's stimulus measures. China is making big moves to stimulate its economy, rolling out childcare subsidies and a special action plan to boost consumption. This, along with positive retail sales data, has uplifted global sentiment. US retail sales rebound. After a dip in January, US retail sales rebounded in February, easing concerns about economic slowdown and strengthening market confidence worldwide. Weakening US dollar. A weakening US dollar, hovering near a 5-month low, has made emerging markets like India more attractive to foreign investors. This also strengthened the Indian rupee, further adding to market positivity. Anticipation of central bank decisions. Investors are keeping a close watch on upcoming interest rate decisions by the US Federal Reserve, Bank of Japan, and Bank of England, with expectations that rates will remain unchanged. This stability is fueling bullish sentiment. While global cues played a major role, domestic factors also contributed to the rally. Let's explore what's happening on the home front. Bargain buying. After a market correction, investors saw an opportunity to buy stocks at attractive valuations. Technical indicators showed the market was oversold, making a rebound likely. Positive macroeconomic indicators. India's strong GDP growth and rising gross tax collections provided a solid foundation for market confidence. These robust economic indicators reinforced investor optimism. Technical strength. Technical analysts pointed out a bullish candle formation and a higher bottom pattern in the Nifty, signaling a positive trend with potential for further gains. Geopolitical stability, or at least the promise of it, has also played a role in the rally. Here's what's happening on the global stage. Potential Russia-Ukraine ceasefire talks. Reports suggest that US and Russian leaders are discussing a potential ceasefire, which has eased some geopolitical tensions and encouraged risk-taking among investors. Now, let's look at the technical picture of the market to understand its future trajectory. Key levels and breakout. The Nifty recently broke above the 22,700 to 22,800 resistance zone, signaling a decisive upside move. Analysts now predict targets of 22,920 and potentially 23,100 to 23,200, with immediate support at 22,620 to 22,700. Moving averages. However, the 50-day moving average remains a key hurdle to watch, and traders should be mindful of potential resistance at this level. Market breadth. All sectoral indices ended in the green, with auto, capital goods, consumer durables, metals, power, realty, and media stocks leading the gains. Mid-cap and small-cap stocks outperformed the frontline index, showing broad market participation. BSE market cap. The total market capitalization of BSE-listed companies saw a substantial increase, further reflecting strong market sentiment. While the rally is exciting, investors should remain cautious of potential risks ahead. Global headwinds. Trade wars, fluctuating foreign capital inflows into China, and potential economic slowdowns could impact sustained growth. Foreign institutional investor (FII) flows. FIIs are increasing their focus on China, and any large-scale selling in Indian markets due to high valuations could trigger corrections. Geopolitical uncertainty. The Russia-Ukraine conflict remains an unpredictable factor. Any escalation could introduce fresh volatility into global markets. So, to wrap it up, the Indian market's rally was fueled by a combination of strong global and domestic factors, easing geopolitical concerns and technical strength. While the short-term outlook looks promising, investors should stay cautious of global headwinds and geopolitical uncertainties. That's it for today's episode of Talk Finance Daily. If you found this analysis valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your market outlook? Until next time, happy investing.